Welcome to our video on using ClickFunnels to create and sell membership sites. In this video, we will be discussing the benefits of using ClickFunnels for membership sites, how to set up a membership site with ClickFunnels, and how to effectively market and sell your membership site to potential members. Link in the description box below to get a free ClickFunnels account. Benefits of using ClickFunnels for membership sites. Ease of use. ClickFunnels is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple for anyone to set up and manage a membership site. Customizable templates. ClickFunnels offers a variety of customizable templates for membership sites, allowing you to create a unique and professional-looking site. Integrated payment options. ClickFunnels allows for easy integration of payment options, making it simple for members to sign up and pay for access to your content or resources. Built-in marketing tools. ClickFunnels also provides built-in marketing tools, such as email marketing and automation, to help you effectively promote and sell your membership site to potential members. Setting up a membership site with ClickFunnels. 1. Create a ClickFunnels account. Sign up for a ClickFunnels account if you haven't already. 2. Choose a membership site template. Choose a template that best suits your needs and customize it to fit your brand and style. 3. Add content and resources. Add your exclusive content and resources to the membership site. 4. Integrate payment options. Integrate payment options, such as PayPal or Stripe, to allow for easy sign-up and payment for access to your site. 5. Set up membership levels. Set up different membership levels, such as basic or premium, to offer different levels of access and pricing options. Marketing and selling your membership site. 1. Create a sales funnel. Use ClickFunnels to create a sales funnel that effectively promotes and sells your membership site to potential members. 2. Utilize email marketing. Utilize the built-in email marketing tools to send out promotional emails to potential members. 3. Use social media. Use social media to promote your membership site and attract new members. 4. Offer a free trial. Offer a free trial or a discounted rate for new members to encourage them to sign up. 5. Utilize testimonials. Share testimonials from current members to build trust and credibility with potential members. In conclusion, ClickFunnels is a powerful tool for creating and selling membership sites. It's user-friendly and easy to navigate. Customizable templates, integrated payment options, and built-in marketing tools make it simple for anyone to set up and manage a membership site. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can effectively set up and promote your membership site, and start earning recurring revenue from members. Thanks for watching.